Hi there, students. Besotted. Okay, besotted, an adjective from the verb to besot, but I think you'll probably only find besotted as an adjective nowadays. Besotted means infatuated with, in love with, smitten with. So he's so besotted with her that he will do anything she asks. Okay, he is so besotted with her that he can't say no. Completely in love, always thinking about them. But notice you can also be besotted with an idea. So he's besotted with the idea of speaking perfect English. He's absolutely infatuated by it. He's so determined to do it, yeah, that he's captivated or beguiled by this idea. Most normally to be besotted with somebody, to be totally in love with them. But yes, you can, he's so besotted with his new computer that it's impossible to get him off it. Yeah, it's sort of like addicted to, totally infatuated by, totally beguiled by. So she is totally besotted with him. Okay, he's she's grinning from ear to ear when she is always with him. Many young people are besotted with horses, or Greta Thunberg is besotted with the idea of saving our planet. A good thing to be besotted with, perhaps. He still seems to be besotted with her. Okay, so let's see, how formal is this word besotted? I think it sounds rather literary. I think I'd probably give it something like a 7 or a 7.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. I think informally, in love with, smitten by. Okay, so if somebody's besotted, maybe they are blinded by their adoration of this thing, intellectually or morally blinded. So he's so besotted with the idea of obtaining absolute equality in society that he forgets about many other things that are also important. Yeah, he was so besotted with her that he would do absolutely anything she said, even if it was wrong. Okay, so it means you're so in love with this idea that you can't see anything wrong or bad with it. Let's see, in this, as I said, the verb to besot, but I think this is pretty archaic. This means drunk. Drunk with alcohol or drunk with infatuation, stupefied, muddled, bleh. Yeah, to besot, and that's the idea. So besotted comes from be sot, and this word sot, there's an old English word sot meaning foolish or stupid. And if you look at the Dutch word zot meaning silly, that is clearly linked to it as well. So, besotted. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Besotted.